In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Fusion 360 loft error, one of the most common and frustrating issues when working with complex shapes. If your loft is failing and you're not sure why, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's causing it and how to fix it step by step. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. So first, what actually causes a loft error in Fusion 360? A loft error happens when Fusion cannot create a smooth transition between profiles. This usually comes down to a few key issues like incompatible profiles, misalignment, open sketches, or broken guide rails. Let's start with the most common fix: checking if your profiles are closed. Go into your sketch, zoom in closely, and make sure there are no gaps or overlapping lines. Even a tiny break in your sketch can cause the loft to fail. If needed, use the trim or extend tools to clean everything up and ensure the profile is fully connected. Next, check if your profiles are aligned properly. If your shapes are twisted, rotated, or facing different directions, Fusion will struggle to connect them. Make sure each profile is positioned correctly in 3D space and oriented consistently. Sometimes simply rotating a sketch or redefining the plane can instantly fix the issue. Another big cause is incompatible profiles. If one shape has a lot of edges and another is very simple, Fusion may not know how to transition between them. In this case, try simplifying your geometry, reduce unnecessary lines, or make the profiles more similar in structure so the loft has a smoother path to follow. Now, let's talk about guide rails. Guide rails can be helpful, but they can also break your loft if they're not set up correctly. Make sure your rails touch every single profile and are fully continuous. If a rail doesn't connect properly, the loft will fail. If you're unsure, try removing the rails completely and see if the loft works without them. Another useful trick is to use fewer profiles. Sometimes adding too many intermediate shapes can confuse Fusion and cause errors. Try removing extra profiles and testing the loft again with just the essential ones. Here's a quick tip to remember. Most loft errors happen because profiles don't align properly or your sketches aren't clean and closed. If you focus on those two things first, you'll solve most problems very quickly. And that's it. You now know how to diagnose and fix Fusion 360 loft errors step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple and practical Fusion 360 tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.